Hello friends, this video on symmetry part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now that we saw the symmetry in alphabets and numbers, let us look at the symmetry in geometrical figures. So on the screen we see a triangle, rectangle, square, kite, hexagon. So we see so many different figures, and let us try to look at the line symmetry in each of them. Okay, so let's start with the triangle. So in the triangle, we see this line. So what do you think about this line? Do you think that it is a line of symmetry? Yes, we think so, right? Because it divides it into two halves which are identical, and also they are mirror images of each other. So therefore, this is a line of symmetry. Okay, let's see, let's try to look at some other lines also, and let's see if they are line of symmetry or not. So do you think this line is a line of symmetry? No, not really, because when you look at this line, the red one, the triangle gets divided into two halves. One half is like this and the other half is like this. And do you think that this half and this half are identical? They are no way identical. So therefore, this is not a line of symmetry. Now again, the number, how many lines of symmetry would be there in a figure also depends on the length of the sides, the measurement of the angles, and that is why the number of lines of symmetry varies with the type of triangles. So if you talk about a triangle with all the three sides equal, they might have more number of lines of symmetry. So we will talk about all that in detail. So now we are generally talking about a triangle. Okay. Now let's move on to the rectangle. So in rectangle again, if you look at this line, what do you think? Is this a line of symmetry? So when you observe it closely, you see that this is one part and this is one half, and both of these halves, they are identical and they are also mirror image of each other. If you want, what you can do is you take a rectangular sheet of paper, place a mirror along this line, and what do you see? You will be able to see the other half as image on the mirror. So the image of this half will be seen on the mirror, and that image will exactly be identical to this half. Okay, now let's look at this line. So do you think this line is also a line of symmetry? Yes, we think so, because in this case again you see this half is again a rectangle and this half is also a rectangle, which are again identical and they are also mirror image. So in this case, this rectangle has two lines of symmetry, one horizontal and one vertical. Let's focus on the square now. So in case of square also, we can have this horizontal line of symmetry. We can also have a vertical line of symmetry. But here we also have one additional line of symmetry, and that is along the diagonal. So if you see along the diagonal, again it gets divided into two halves like this. One half is like this, the other half is like this. And again, these two halves are identical and they are mirror images of each other. So that means even if you draw a diagonal like this, that should also be a line of symmetry. So that means when you look at a square, you have a total of 4 lines of symmetry, right? So why do you have multiple lines of symmetry in case of a square? Because if you look at the dimension of a square, it has all the sides equal. Now since it has all the sides equal, therefore the symmetry is more in case of a square. Perfect. So we now move on to this kite. So when you look at this, what do you think? This line, will it be a line of symmetry? Yes, looks like, because the two sides or the two halves are mirror images. Look at this one. This again would be a line of symmetry. How about this one? So do you think this would be a line of symmetry? What are the two halves that it is dividing? One half is like a small triangular piece. The other half is somewhat like this. And do you think this and this, they are identical? No, definitely not. So this is not a line of symmetry. So in a similar way, I leave it for you to find out the lines of symmetry for this hexagon. Now let's assume that all the sides of the hexagon are equal. So the measurement of all the sides are equal. So how many lines of symmetry will you have for this hexagon? So take out a pen and a pencil, a pen and a paper, and try to draw this and see it for yourself, that how many lines of symmetry do you find for this hexagon. Now let me tell you that your answer should be 6. There must be 6 lines of symmetry. For example, one line should be like this, which would divide it into two equal halves. Again, another line could be this, which would again divide it into two equal halves, one this and another this. In a similar way, now you draw it for yourself to find out the 6 lines of symmetry in a regular hexagon. Okay. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.